I'm going to show you how to clone any website quickly and easily using AI. I'll also show you how to connect your 10web website with your Shopify store. The AI tool we'll be using is called 10web. Let's quickly look at their pricing. There are 3 main plans: business, e-commerce and agency. If you're just starting out, the business plan will be your best choice. It's great if you only need one website, and you can upgrade as traffic grows. Prices are based on an annual plan, which is the best deal for most website owners. Once you've signed up and logged into your dashboard, you can create a new website. I'll show you how simple it is using AI. Choose your website name, select the data center closest to your audience, and if you don't have a domain yet, use a temporary 10web subdomain. Now let's move on to the fun part, building the site. 10web will install WordPress for you, and here we are in the website builder. You have 2 options, clone a site or create one from scratch. Select your business type. You can either write out your website description or use AI to enhance it for you. You can use AI to generate website descriptions and content ideas quickly. In less than a minute, 10web has created a fully functional website with several pages. It even added AI generated text and images. You can now customize any element using the drag and drop editor. To edit, simply click on the section, adjust the text or images, and you're good to go. You can even use AI to rewrite content, shorten it, or change its tone. If you want new pages, simply click the plus button. Let me show you how easy it is to clone a site. Simply paste the URL of the website you want to clone, and 10web will recreate the entire layout for you. The clone will inherit the header, footer, and style of your existing website. So always adjust the clone website to match your branding and style. Once your website is built and edited to your liking, you can post your domain to it or add one through 10web. You can also optimize your site's speed and SEO, which is crucial for ranking on Google. Since 10web works on WordPress, the best way to connect it to Shopify is to download this plugin. Then simply follow the prompts to set it up, and you will be able to connect it to your Shopify store.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials.